If you want to permanently delete your Slack account, follow these straightforward steps. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to delete the account before proceeding. Step 1. Sign into Slack. Log into your Slack workspace using your credentials. Ensure you are using the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Access account settings. Click on your workspace name in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Administration, then choose Workspace Settings. Step 3. Navigate to the Account Deletion section. In the Workspace Settings, scroll down to find the Delete Workspace option. This section may also be labeled as Account Management or similar. Step 4. Review deletion information. Read the information provided about deleting your account. This may include details on what happens to your data and any potential recovery options. Step 5. Confirm deletion. If you are sure you want to proceed, follow the prompts to confirm the deletion of your account. You may need to enter your password or provide additional verification. Once you have completed these steps, your Slack account will be permanently deleted. Make sure to back up any important information before proceeding, as this action cannot be undone.